Let me give you guys a quick rundown on what happened today during the Jackson Hole meeting and what was more important during Jerome Powell's comments, and also explain some trade ideas that you guys should focus on for the remainder of the month heading towards the next rate decision. So first of all, when it comes down to Jerome Powell, it's extremely important to focus on what he says because he could lead towards hints for really good tradable opportunities, because it's something that we want to pay attention to called monetary policy. Because if he gives us more of a dovish tone, is exactly what he did today. He was explaining how weak the labor markets are and also confirming that inflation is going to rise, but he's expecting it to be temporary. So him saying that is giving the markets expectations for the Feds to also cut during September. So this is why we saw dollar pushed lower and equities gain a lot of strength. That is a dovish reaction because they're expecting rate cuts. Now, if we want to look for tradable opportunities moving forward, he confirmed that he's most likely still focusing on the labor markets. So if we see that labor data like NFP, unemployment, is still coming in worse than expected, expect more of stronger dollar and weaker equities because it's going to confirm additional rate cuts. If we see the opposite, if we see that inflation actually rises, like drastically, this is where we're going to be expecting the opposite reaction, which is a hawkish outcome, which could push equities lower, but also rise the US dollar. Just a side note for you guys, if you're focusing on growth, if the Feds are cutting rates because they are scared about a recession, we could probably see a growth scare that can also hurt equities too. So just use that as a side note. If you guys need more help with this, send me any comment below so I could help you guys out.